So happy that I'll be able to share some of the achievement that I received by joining IM Worldwide. So let me show you the check first. Who wanted to read my 1 week check?
Dated May 3, 2024. Wow. 292,000.
Thank you, I am Worldwide. And this is tax-free. And the good thing about it is, plus merong pandagdag. Diba? So, how amazing it is. But I also wanted to share paano ako nag-umpisa rito sa IM Worldwide. So, I am number 9 survivor of pancreatic